Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I tear down my trash pit LCD panel, and I'm also going to show you what's really inside the layers of an LCD screen. And as you can see, this is a defective panel with defective pixels onto it. So now let's get started. I shine a flashlight at the back of the LCD panel, and as you can see, the LCD panel itself is defective. So it's not that the light filters are dirty or any parts of the screen is dirty. It's just that the pixels in the LCD are considered dead. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.